up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys been doing good. Hope you guys been grinding out on something. Boys, dude, I haven't been uploading as much just because I'm just gonna focus on work and taking things to the next level because, dude, I have a second shop now. That shop's 11,000 square foot. We became a dealership this year, and bro, everything that was planned with the dealership is going. Dude, God is good, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Everything we put out first, God paves the way. And it's not even about the money at all. Like, forget about anything to do with money. It's about the actual success that came with it. It's such a blessing, you know. Like, we don't even do sales, you know. It's just, you know, I'm so excited. Now we're getting machines in the shop. So right now we're about to get a machine. We're about to get like about $500,000 worth of these one Japanese machines, and then we're about to get a $800,000 machine. So, bro, we're gonna be, dude, I'm gonna be making. So right now, my goal is to figure out what to do with these cars because I wanna at least pull out some parts, and I wanna make my own parts. Is what I want to do without stepping on toes. That's like my main goal. This is good. I thought I had to re-record everything again. Like, we're chilling, thank God, bro. Luckily I didn't record too much, but usually, dude, I'd be recording like, I record a whole video. Usually I record like a whole video and I have to redo the whole entire video again, which is not too bad, but sometimes you want to keep it like, you know, I don't know, original, I guess. You don't want to redo it if you don't have to. Woo! Oh my gosh. You know, this thing's fat, dude. I know the control sucks. Like, driving through the can sucks with this thing, but it's I love it. Like when you're doing a rolling, it just feels good. Like, no doubt you're gonna lose a lot of races, but who gives an F, bro? I don't give an F about racing, bro. I'm trying to enjoy the car, and I enjoy these cars, surprisingly, to be honest. I know it's surprising to enjoy a fat boy, but it's actually very doable. This thing feels good right now. This car feels good. The middle of my pipe got a little bit loose, so it rattles a little bit, dude. I always tighten it, and dude, it always just gets loose. It's annoying. The wine's really nice though. I love it, dude. Obviously it doesn't whine as loud, obviously, right? It's, you know, there's literally, I have a muffler obviously, but the cats are still gone, so. Shoot, I might have to get a new one, dude. It whines way louder when the cats are on, so don't mind it. I do want to put the cats back on soon. Screams, dude. Hope you guys been enjoying the videos though. Thank you guys for staying consistent. I know it's just POVs. It's gonna stay like that. If I'm gonna do anything crazy, it's gonna be a whole separate channel. Just because, you know, this whole channel is built off POVs. And I appreciate you guys, I mean, still tuning in. Definitely makes me want to just like keep going with it, because like I said, bro, I'm putting wear and tear. I might as well record it. you guys enjoyed this video. Not too much talking, dude. I had a freaking long weekend, so I'm just trying to relax. But hope you guys enjoyed another POV, dude. Oh, dude, there's a dent right here. I barely took it out, and dude, I get a dent, dude. What the fudge? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video.